Jessica's about to jump off a rope and shit, so we're recording her ass.
Oh my god. Wait. I'm gonna die.
Go Jessie. Go Jessie.
Wait, do I
Go.
put my hand here? Yeah. No, but what if this is gonna cut me?
No, it's not. Ready?
Oh my god!
Go, Jessie. Come on.
Wait.
That's low.
I can't.
Do it, Jessica.
Jump, just if you like.
I can't.
Come on, do it.
Jessica, do
I
it.
want to, but I can't. Oh
Jessica, you're not gonna get hurt if you don't let go.
Go.
What am I gonna do? I'm gonna
Jump, just lift your legs.
Jump on this slide. It's easier. I'm telling you, it's easier.
Can I grab one from here?
Yeah. Just grab one from anywhere.
Go,
Jump,
Jessie.
I feel like I'm gonna let go.
Just jump. You're not gonna
She's
let go.
scary.
Don't
She's
do that.
scary.
You're too scared.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
Jessica just fell. Jessica, go.
Oh my god.
Jessica. Jessica.
My hair.
Your hair's okay, just your jeans. Oh my god. Say bye.
I couldn't stop.
You should have let go, Jessica.
Why'd you let go?
Because my hands were like hurting.
Say bye.
No. This is not going on MySpace.